Namaste to all students. Myself JV and Dr. Khushbu Verma from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about how to sterilize glassware and accessories before using plant tissue culture techniques. So in the first step, we have to sterilize all glasswares. First of all, we have to clean glasswares with the Labolin detergent, which is laboratory detergent, and after washing and cleaning of all glasswares, we have to put all the glasswares into oven for drying. It is hot. It will be hot air dry, and after the drying, we will clean all glasswares with the spirit also. And about the cotton plugs, we have to prepare fresh autoclavable cotton plugs. We can use our used cotton plug also, but before using it, cotton plug should be autoclaved, and then we can use all the cotton plugs. And when all the glasswares are prepared, we have to put conical flask or boiling tube with the proper sealed with cotton plug and a silver foil on it, and beaker which will be used for the media preparation, glass roll, and patty dishes, and measuring cylinders of 500 ml, 200 ml, and 100 ml. And we will also autoclave our spatula and forceps also. So all these things, and yes, we also autoclave distilled water. All the things when we prepare, we will go for the autoclaving process, and we will put all these accessories into autoclave, and we will autoclave all the things. After the autoclaving process, now all the glasswares and accessories are able to use, and then we can go for the media preparation. On the other hand, parallel process should be done, which is sterilization of explant, which will be used in tissue culture technique. For example, if we are using stems, so first of all we will select the mother plant. We will cut we will cut explant, and we will collect the explant from there. Then first of all, we will put all the explant into tap water for approximately half an hour. After cleaning all the dust through tap water, now we will go for cleaning. So we will use Triton X100 and sodium hypochlorite solution for cleaning. We will continuously stir the solution which is having our explant. After cleaning with the detergent, we will wash out all the detergent with the help of distilled water. This process will be done by washing process will be done by 2 to 3 times. After cleaning, then we will transfer this cleaned explant into laminar airflow, where we will prepare mercury chloride solution, and then we will sterilize through mercury chloride also. After cleaning, we will shake our explants into mercury chloride solution for approximately 1 minute, and then we will wash out the solution. And after that, we will use distilled water, autoclaved distilled water for cleaning, and all this process will be done into only laminar airflow. This mercury chloride cleaning process will be done in laminar airflow. So two sterilization process will be done at the parallel time. And after the completion of autoclaving process of glasswares and other accessories, all glasswares and all conical flasks we will put into our lab, and then we will go for the media preparation. So here I have explained all the sterilization process before preparing media in plant tissue culture technique. So this is sum up of this session, and this session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any query, then mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.